Prepare to be amazed by these mind-blowing facts about nature. Did you know that ants can lift up to 50 times their body weight? That's like us lifting a car. Nature never ceases to surprise us. Did you know that trees communicate with each other through an underground fungal network called the Wood Wide Web? They share nutrients, warnings, and even help sick neighbors. The immortal jellyfish defies nature's rules. When it faces danger or stress, it can revert back to its juvenile form and start its life cycle all over again. It's like hitting a reset button on aging. The blue whale, the largest creature on Earth, is so enormous that humans can swim through its major blood vessels. Can you imagine? That's a whole new level of massive. Did you ever think a plant could be older than the Great Pyramids? Well, meet Pando, the trembling giant. This aspen tree clone in Utah is over 80,000 years old and sprouted during the last ice age.